is Maria Furtado. This is more one video for the channel Believe You. I hope you're feeling amazing today. I want to do this video essentially to explain what this channel is about. Believe You is a well-being. We have a website, it's a channel, and we have social media. And what we're doing is interacting with people. Essentially, me, I have a mental health awareness certificated course. I do cooking lessons to teach people how to cook their own food and be healthy as possible, and I bring content and articles that explains the ways you can achieve well-being in your life. Now, what is really our well-being and why people is talking so much about that? Essentially, when it's like a thinner layer on your mental health, because well-being have loads of meanings, but essentially it's the way you can feel well with yourself. It's you feeling protected, secure, you feeling well and good with life. Then the first and most important is the way you deal with your mind, the way you deal with your problems. It's learning to focus on the positive side of life instead of negativities. It's learning how to cope with situations like we have now, coronavirus, and try to find where is the thin layer that divide, where you finish taking care of you and when the problems start taking care of your life. Then essentially I will be bringing loads of content, because the well-being for our lives is like general. You have to have healthy meals to feel well with yourself. Drink plenty of water. Okay, you can drink other stuff, I'm not joking, but essentially drink plenty of water during the day. Do some exercise, move yourself, walking, running, yoga. I love yoga myself. Meditation for your mind. Know how to do mindful activities, and even day by day problems like time management, money management, stuff that is going to pick on you in the same way and put you down. Then it's more or less I bring you stuff to uplift you every day. It's what this channel is about. I want you to subscribe. I want you to see the videos. The website is always looking for people to go and tell a little bit about themselves. We set some memberships, then going there is free. You know, I'm having problems in making money because I have so much free stuff to give. But I've been there, I've been depressed, I've been down, and I like to help others to feel better. You know, when you have that thing that you're better to help others than to yourself, is the thing with me. I'm going to always be here to give you the perfect counseling or help or the right words, because I'm just good at it. It's true. Now, think about your well-being as something that you have to take care of. You have to take care of how you think more positive, how you smile much more, how you feel engaged with life and inspired, how you relate your relationships with your family and friends can always improve. Then if I can tell you something, because well-being is all matter that make you happy and well in life. Is you have a house that satisfies you, it's have a car that you love, it's have the money in your bank account that you desire, it's you have the job of your dreams, the woman or man of your dreams. Is really you feel it's a thing, it's a personal thing. Each one have one thing that he loves more than another person. Then is you learn how to go after these dreams and make it real. Every time you go after dreams and sensations that make you happy, you feel inspired, you feel well, and you are a well-being. Then essentially is, don't forget this is a training. We don't learn this on school or our family is going to tell you how to feel well with yourselves. People is just too egoic for that. Each one was starting living thinking I'm going to be the best for myself. And even people that say I'm not altruist, everyone is thinking in their own happiness. And I know lots of people are going to tell me, oh, but I want to do better for others, I want to be the best for others. Until you are the best for yourself, you cannot help no one. then I'm going to push for you every day. And I'm always going to tell you and cheer you up. You are the best, but you have to believe in that. And because of that, the channel is Believe You. Don't believe in nobody else. Believe in your inner power. Believe that you can change your life. And after you change the world, because everything is possible. See you soon. This is just a presentation video. Click like, subscribe. I'm gonna have all this content to make you happy. Then go for it. See you soon. Bye.